ko ñaaje le felem be batare ani me ñaaje fa bal na ko ni sinole bal squad na wulo kayro la wude fede sirin sate o tema yendem banin gambele ba fala fele siri atata selo to atata manta selo vela sirin sate o tema le yendem nemo dalba ku ade yo ko de alkana be ke banko yiroti mo ikaw nyade alkana be ke banko yirite uti fongal dandala wala mo alkana be ke banko yirite uti fongal dandala al yiro bunya al kar yiro bunya gambianul yiro mu ne mo le alla nyim boho ni tata sate o karo bela bi kule corona bang bar hani sal kadar al gambiano al be fen ko sanka masque jamul men yo da wol fon malo masque be kerim ko tek atel felen diral be masque san ni mul kala le yirol tutu al te yirol tutula ndube al te sama senela men ko al be mo la yirol be bana kundula al kata boy wulo kono yirol kal be kuntunna alla kam fali al yadundi yirol la say mune man la problème ote ndel fele jando ni nema ba jube be sirin sate o tema ajube nin jannon tombi no tombi nin gambela mo nyindi tombi be mira katati by tati alwela manal la kaburol le ba momo ya dale kaburol al yalla lan ba wafula le kaburol wafu kali ay say mbena hofun business lo damu dala je kamol jani astaghfirullah ngaku mo le vale ngal tuba bol je ni la ñil daan ben ni gambia la mo tombinu na ni real estate billahi wallahi ni dena alinke president in fact from now on bena president ya ni la gambia because munemo all this nonsense real estate on la problem mo batele mbal be bal la gambia in fact alla la sinon babe repok la albe mul torande kan alelan yaje ni jambe gambia te ibe kila fan yaay ndilalete al kalo dole be yolbe stampo de ba fule tala mo la wala ngako mo la faale ngale aji ni tata je la hofun balle be jam ofno ngale na ka buro jane dama e ka mol grill wallet jan ni fata e ke grille ye mon ko be kaf nyoma ya yoya ya ke kabo ko rete bade ngakkum nal man kundu ni real estate ul nyaado wala bal fanam batunde hofun business le bina yella say ni menna mo fatal mabade la soto ale da samba hofno kono ya grill fay mo ya beta ya be yoya ya mun ko ya ta ya ke kabo kono wala be jan ya lo 1 quadrat meter isimo mu am bade je kabandi un kono ye mo jani ya jani fay mo mukko ya mun ko beta ya kafu nyoma ya ke kabandi un kono ya sol nal kalte lantula ni sate be kono jiwe ayalo gambia nulu ndella bolon kono sumbati ndella sato alwol ni ngal ta bolon kono ekate kunkol men be buli man kuno wolma nyin konde jula fa be wolle kono nyin konde jula fa nyaawe konde jula la ala fa ila sato to bandunde ndella sato to mol kata kunkol be buli man kuno ila kunkol may kate nyaatilin na yirol la e ka wulo kono be tay ka be sep e ka yirol be boyni e kela kam fatile yirol e ka fo be seli sepol kunko men balbulal man kuno wala mal mol fonctionne no yiro jube saate o kono anu nyum dumandi ni e jani la jang nyim paako man nyim fa dandulalo ni tata ko mal la nyaato lay be swimming poolol tar la je ba ni gambe la alkalo dol be tay be jaay ba fole mama ñol le tamo ale gambe no nyaata no MT land ye MT land dawde ka angani amen fulo la 30 by 30, 25 by 20, say 30 by 30 for botale. Say 15 by 15 la. Albelan be kunduka. Alma yiro la nafalo. Huh? Eka oxygen. Oxygen men inhalate and carbon di yiro le bala. Adama di una jata kende ya, puri jata kende ya kendo so. Abe yiro le bala. Ni dada yaram bamba eke nyalo le buka yiro fon je nyalo. Sati mu me ko ne buka yiro fon je nyalo. Ndel ko nga jata kende fatil malo how important the trees are in for the human beings. Yiro la nafa sate ko na almana falo. Ale fem fenje rek ni nyim pa ko men felentire nata sita je be boka do ko da nya fon juwe. Bar mi felen nata si pa ko no nyin tilobe kandiren fed bar ajube ala la nemo. Jalba ko ate kal kana be ke banko yiri tewte ngal dandala. Bar ni gambela alkali dolle be na yayi to be janjila re ba hop jam mom mamala dulal. Ebe nay ba stampol tal. Na broda nka kumola fo we da juwe mfele mbala jang gisum burundi o bano bala nata mbe boka do ku dan ko jande nga futa sko kono batu nga soja ngamira nyimpa ko ni gambia la mo ni real estate alen ke president mbe men folo ke la real estate o be a real estate tio be mbabe banda mbala lansino be revoke la because Salman Adama dona jada kende afen you know Eba be boucher la na broda. Eba be kundun na. Ebe na ibe ni yirol be boindila. Adama di wona jada kenda buka fo yiro koma because yiro le kanna na soko Gambia fon benin kankan. E ka example ta men na duta joke la korda kono wala lem nan joke la korda kono. Ya jube kankan ni wulta somanda. Kankan men kata kallawo duta jamboka. Wo kallawo duta jamboka nyaade muna kine la korda korketo be katal kurare. Because yo yiro me yalon ko nim fonyo pete kan beta ka mune walin aka yiro le wali ri jambol yiro kan ni yiro be la korda kono aka no kankan men katar fonyo kono aka wole sabana aka fen ko aka ala clinique bari imagine Gambia tuba du moto koto ben ka be sanga be kije are bulade albe ñim fen ko men na lasia albe na no da business will create la Gambia because na la mol fata alla bade ko le fon e bebe wa filal anu na le bade ko wafu ko di tiol albe na ko do sotol albe furo le dada ni men na mo fata ya jane ngake kabo ko na mun ko yalo ja wole be ja na bro jan ye fata ke janile e mun ko yata ya yo ya ke kabo ko do wala be la na Gambia o e kata tel la kordal be da taw yaram bamba ma fana ya jube yaram bamba hani yiri ju kilon fay kanyin dula ba jube la be e buka fenje je yiri ju fo buka je nyala e ko adama di lebe le fri nyin blato kan men katar ti ka wodlato adama di una life kono yiro ke la akela e ale clinique aka e ale clean ni yiro na la nyin jambo ni fonyo teta kan nyin be ka yiro le walen akata den wolle la bar sa natul ma yirol soto kankan be den na min tole al bakar wo kan al kal feño mental kal niyo jiala alla woni jiyo woni ji al ka wala tin Gambia jube ni dunda moto ko no boh marché ko no boh mo be baka kor al be kam do ko kuran tole this is not funny alienda yiro be kuntu al buka sama ses de tarante la santo to mol kata bol kunko kata jurumari buli bukale be seno kila sene kunko be la pri buli kata ta kenya tele suto la ka fo mbe jankela selo la because mayiro na falo ndele yama ka yiro ke loti anen ka yiro kuntu nengi lanje dawda ya be real estate anyway ngani kele rek because of manna kameja bar lafsa men fula do men natin de jang al nafikiya bula Gambia nol yaje malla fi diam la nyin ko la bari ngaje Watson Gambia magjan na bron ila moli dandarla idandarla Watson Gambia hani UDP ko hani te bi ni ne mo kele ta jak iba sa fela iba fula esa je wala kelo ke UDP ko be kelo yalo te be gande jakal Gambia say UDP ndele our right have been seized. We have no right to do anything. Ni kelo ke hani mu Gambia di ye kelo fon kede e kamune jube jomalam UDP kolomba UDP in Colomba, Ibeta Iba Safela. Gambia media, they are not even fair. I don't know these people. A telephone, how most of our medias in the Gambia. What I'm saying now, Gambia media Jamabeje, they pretend that they want change. But indirectly, they don't want change because it nyanta change menkela advocate the change. Ibo advocating na has jotoko nyanta men falina. At the same time, indirectly you are attacking those people and then making the voters discouraged against those parties. Wole be caring Gambia kon. Mol safa ya yudi. Ngo ni aje mbedi amula nyin kola. Fatu konta la nyin sonko. UDP diun le keleta. Fatu konda hani dunia lata dunia ka UDP masa kundanata at any key position holder there. Yalong Gambia tema me understand. Gambia diuni we think that the people we think that they are educated. The people we think that they are more aware member caring dunia kona how government work. Or more found are letting Gambian down and they are misleading people. Because you cannot judge United Democratic Party through Esa Jaula. Because ni UDP na mansa kundanata tete do ko kela jet. I think itenyanta men kela the people yalon ko yes. For example, almame funding tale nga example otatel. Wala let's say na honorable Tombon said my own honorable and the other so many people many yalon ko be ni mansa kundanata like Ahmad Sane na nyancho dindiw, you know. Obviously, we are expecting those people to hold the position in the government. So I think if you are judging the political party, you have to judge that political party through those people. Many alonko ning atariko mansa kunda nata wolebe do ko kelaje. But Esa Jawla te kelo keleka the whole UDP kejo through Esa Jawla. I am not going to hold position ni ba fula ko nyine mu moti me yalo ka beta represent la embassy. Nyine mu moti me yalo ka beta represent la foreign ministry. Nyine mu moti me yalo ka beta represent la in any various position. But you know the dishonesty of the Gambians. Ni Esa Jawla je kelo la dro wala magyane fe kelo la ba fula nga afale ne UDP fitino dro UDP. You should care about the authorities. Many alonko they are in party high positions. So it is unfair pro what some Gambia funti now akafo ko UDP malafe nko mbe kelelale UDP we are not sent. And momo ko ebela bero di la United Democratic Daleko with the hope that UDP we are not going to fight. We will fight like as you fight at your homes. Alnal la musul ka kela la kordal konole. Alnal dokol ka kele. Why do you expect that until UDP call that, but we are still Gambian and we are human? And the fight is part of the human nature. What have the government has to do with the supporters? Because be mansa kunda be menke can be na minister aronka the ministers wolle be mansa kunda aronka. So it is so hypocritical. Pro nimba kudi nim party dim party belem ni NPP ka supporter so al nimol ye keloke alla kordal konal ka keloke men be yalo ko ba fala ha UDP kelo do al mo jolle alla musol bula al ni keleta al mo jolle ye musol bula al mo jolle al kenyol bula al mo jolle ka kelo ka alla kordal konal ke setul mol be kelo kele kan jame on kono mol be kele kan chojo kono mol ka kelo ke bantabato mol ka kelo ke la kordal ko la bun kono. Why did you think that UDP we should not fight? The fight is part of the human nature. Nobody is encouraging menketa fatu kontala, but it's so hypocritical. Mol meni alon ko ikallo ikap atel mo jolle fon beje me yalon ko bi Gambia di me yalon ko belo la nyati lona kadu adama du ngalo ne ko mo man juta bala mo man juta fala atel men be alon kal ba fala haji manjana kala nyima we all condemn that menketa je baral mo jolle mo memba munyala ni lotal nyati lona yali banene albe fenkela ka ngo al you know my belief is that Gambia mbele dentala salvaging Gambia does not mean you are doing favor to doing favor for United Democratic Party. Salvaging your country does not mean that you are helping United Democratic Party. No, you are helping your country. So therefore, nite UDP kolje wol benyola supporters so ordinary supporters so you want to join the entire party. Well, it's a dishonesty. The people many along ko be more represent la. Fatu Konta is not educated. to hold any position in, and the men fanaya fight they are not key holder. Nata ye Ajiam Sekala je Kelola. Wale ye Amar San leje Kelola. Tombo Njata yol Tombo Sedi yol leje Kelola. It's for UDP, you know, these are the government in which they are fighting. But ordinary supporters only, you see them. People are fighting in the market. People are fighting in church. People are fighting in the mosque. You don't have problem with that. But UDP, we are not. Mbe kele lale. Ntele afale. Momo ka fenke ko kelo. Kelo is normal. It's part of everything. Hani dino. Kila la saibo le da mon kadu nyolale. So nime ya mera ko teka kelo le fa. You are just fooling yourself. Let the Gambian accept the truth. Nyanta mental, nyanta concern la menda be what should be our concern today. Na authority men yalonko how they are behaving. But the moment yalong ordinary supporters solely, you want to judge the entire party. That's a dishonesty. Esa jawla be kelola. What has that to do with United Democratic Party? Hanna be kelo kegayu. Well, it is my own emotion, but ndemandari any position to UDP member for la ko ba for la ko. Nyine beta mo represent la. But Gambiano, they are so hypocritical. Alla kordal ko nal ka kelo keje albuka alla kordal ba ko kelo le beja al kata jamion to mol ka kele jal buka fo kon tetita salla ni jamion to mol le kele ta jam al ka kelo ke comme ko something it is not normal comme al laftan tel al yalo all this United Democratic Party for al diuni until UDP supporters all until the fund we are encouraging these people and we are helping them because they want to paint us yalo adama di te keno lamenti kana so moli push je ya accept. Be honest to yourself as a human. Itemen kenola. Be honest to the people. Be truthful to the people. If they want to vote for you, let them vote for you. Ning ayata ko daji ko le nyanta kendila ko ite molu emanyana bero faila mo. For be NPP nyanta la Gambia. Mo meni lota e ka fale ko fulol ni mandin kolu. E ka fo mole ko fulol surwale jolal al karason ale bero fay mandin ko e katu ni ganyete bal bayla jan. Atil malal mo misilmot wonyon daji kon tayala be kere Gambiano batambe kuma kilin fola nin Gambiano koye ye kelo le ke wala tina mambira afaya ye wulu nin Gambiano koye hayte fan yala fo wala kinante berot afaya ye wulu kon nante yala ba ko they don't vote based on the character nin character ka kina Gambia di kabero di mola andum be kuma kilin fola le be honest. United Democratic Party supporters all, be honest to yourself. Be who you are. Let nobody force you to be something that you are not. Stop being fake. We all fight. Like any other human being. Kelo is part of Adamadiwara nature. Kelo man sumbila. Ni wala kina ko hanisariya ko ni modu fula dun tanyola. Many yemen tonyal tonya kete male move on. Why did they think that when we fight is a taboo? How can you judge the whole political party because of a supporter? Ordinary sympathizer or supporters are fighting. You should care about the people in authority or in position. Nata talibe le kelo ke adu talibe fasi kelo keno. Yangsi si kelo keno because they are human. Nga minister jedula to nka bol Senegal la parlement to fo maji de be nyo fay ka kurfeñol. Around the world nyabe mo lebe kelo ke ka parlement ko. So I tell you, ordinary supporters all are fighting. We want to take that as a big issue. There are serious issues in that country. Media could have talked some Niaje Barrow feels so comfortable in that country because we are too hypocritic. Now media are hypocritic, most of them. Because in Gambia, most of these medias, they want to satisfy government at the same time satisfy opposition because they don't want to be termed as you are opposition or you are government. Go, Adamadi will believe what you believe in. Adamadi will be kuto akila ko inna male amalu biniyat. Adamadi will be bara o bara kela alanya belal. Don't hide yourself. Don't pretend to be something that you are not. Mbe kele lale na kuyata me yebero di UDP la na diate kana dinna. Woman la biredan botal. Bi buro men da kafta fo UDP ngole ya kafu wolle. Why did Gambian think that voting for UDP they are helping United Democratic Party? Ela banko be meskono. Alnya bala ko corruption is rampant. Alla banko na flow be mol be sila baba tara tinyala. Ite you are concerning about esale be kelola. Alin kana bero di UDP la. Foni UDP nata esale be kela minister. Ni UDP nata esale be kela foreign minister ba. Ite ni la muso ka kele suwa kono. Ite mo na afiko ka fundina ka nyil fele kelola. Who do not fight. ngata lord mbal ni mfali ka kele ngata lord mba mfani mfandi un ka kele ngata lord nandi un mbal be kele la. Why we don't leave that compound and say that my mother is fighting? Fight is part of the nature. Let Gambians stop being hypocritical. And we tell UDP go me yalo be fanfenga hani manyana kela kelo man better. We are not encouraging kelo, but kelo is part of human nature. Momo ka fo ko mbe sila le balente kela e fan yale fo. We will fight like any one of you al ka kelo kela. We and UDP will fight and nimme ya no be bero dila na yadina. Because you should be care about our manifesto. You should be care about how we are going to govern the country. But supporters are not sold down. Football, alnyabe football stadium la. Mol kataje kanyo konkonje fo yakin na ko football man team o bafula ko. Play la bafula batun tanga bojin team to fans so le ka kelo. You still supporting people? Those how many times Liverpool be dunna be mol konkona? How many times Chelsea kono kelo be kela stadium kono? How many stadiums we have seen the kelo violence be kela? Why don't you stop supporting that football team saying that because they fight? Did you see even the players themselves they fight? So alimol da handle la hypocritical. Kelo is part of momo ale atel mo jomale be Gambia kono memba fula na korda kono kelo ne mankeje ala fa albena wota al bokila mo le kubat ha UDP wol ka kelo leke ale bali ka kelo ke ale fali ka kelo ke haninte na suwo kono kelo ka kejele. That is the truth. Bari nin keleta muka kele kule kanga na singa diam nga banga mu fode andun tafula nyoko de kella ko rek ene mo si kele bile next year fa al si kele non. That's part of the human being. Atile nyanta kiala men la bango kan corruption is rampant. But Niaje Barrow is so comfortable. Our medias there, ebe Gambia media sol ima jama beje malla alala. Ebe nale oppositional beten alalon ko al Gambia la media sol jube. Al Gambia la media sol jube. Ni e femfe ni e Barrow mado alalon ko next day ebe wele nyini na ebe UDP fenkela menna. Ebe afola ha they are government inverted. We are not going to nte mamo ko defo de bar nte Essa Jawla the only team be men yitale la man sakunda be men ke ka be tilimbali ya menna alla na flola. If that not convince you to stop supporting that government, why will you think that UDP la kelo wala tin etitul fasal? So you prefer corruption over fight. Ordinary party supporters all like kelo. So isi man sakunda to je membe sunya rola e kanalo ite for you are shameless. Adama Barrow la man sakunda alla denanol mo jolle yolle fa denade tawwor bulan insay o mete balka Adama Barrow fasa alnyabe Adama Barrow la janne alla nafula ba kasara la leptanol to bebe noring alla leptanol al buka jol force. That is not concern for you, but the only concern for you is UDP supporters all le fele kelola ha nga falen al kanabirov. What a cheap propaganda. It's only stupid and idiotic will think something like this and will judge somebody based on the supporters are fighting. Dunia be ila party in dunia kono kelo ka kejele hani western wall janto. But you know why? Because Gambians we are so na ni adube the electorate men yalon ko buka fen fa risin no fali amana ko kanyim man sa kurun men soto. This is what we deserve. Gambia almansa marli bal ka wo banko kali yole deserve. Because alabuka mo tonye ninjama beteyata jamala miro beteyata alkamo kendo le tombo alkamo nyato ka kendo soto bar jamaati keno la jamala miro si keno temba ala UDP ngol fele kelo la ha UDP ko mo Canada bule internet. What's on Gambia mbatelema? We are open for criticism. I'll think criticize. We don't have problem with that. Criticize UDP. Because no human being is above the criticism. But criticize us fairly based on the issues many are local it is going to affect the country. But ordinary party supporters will be killed. Ungo mbe kelelale. And had seen in meeting Canada doesn't see kelenole. Atil bavola mole ha I come to go kelo mutabule. Alla football dulal be kele kanje. Alla kulli dulal be kele kanje al benyo konkonna je. Alla futu sit dulal ka kele je. Alla korda al kono. Alla korda meeting dulal ka kele. Alka fontele ko ndella kelo fontella kelo mutanala tiba. Why Gambian we are so hypocritical? ordinary issue me yalonko, it is not even worth to talk about it, not even worth to even waste your energy on that. Ya UDP supporters will feel kelola nsi kele anu nimmo mo yalonko be biro file wala kan. Let me tell you, momo ya mira ko be biro file UDP le because of UDP supporters will take kelela affiliate kana biro file de katumbe kelal. Kelo is part of human nature. Nteni koto ma kele dal ndindi ma ayem bute na sista na kele dal ayem bute mfana nin doko ma kele tam fana ya bute alla kordal ko nal begeten al nal ke ka nyol dun nyolale al ke kal konko wo suto yena ya yal dian almeda wala dol beje ke nyol ke bute le su kende ke suto yedia wo bukake aka kele fa bukake al ke kal diandi yal bute suto al yedia tel al busi mol kono nsi kele nimembe berodi la na ko UDP te kelo kela mbe kele lale because I tell you we are human and the kelo is part of human nature. So naturally amira ko na fiko la be fundi la kam da ko kelo mu kuleti be like United Democratic Party le kelo wulni ya ali man concern nata ali nyanta concern la menna Gambia di fona ko kante bala fal wallahi billahi ta le kam da danko be banko menna yeah ko UDP di on lebe kelo la ali say headline on Gambia newspaper they are toilet papers Gambia news fenkol billahi wallahi ta these are disgrace parliament man kele nim alinya parliament lebe ibe kurfenyo di la nyola molbe lola parliament minister kallo kay kurfenyo di je UDP la parti di on damban la kelo alkal ka wala ke headline te han ko benna banko di la nyile bala la banko sitar molbul men bala million kasaral you are okay with that alla banko be talla molbul men yalon ko malaikan di on billahi wallahi Gambia for is the same al nim atodo Indonesia anno le problème o soto nyola anye fo akile mba fo whatsoever meye na ko ay na dindi woni mo jolle fa mo tan sayni fenne fa meni lonta Indonesia yo compagnie India la compagnie samba kotla bar Gambia la fengo Gambia la government al nena ko mo fa moyle baro kanalo adamadin kun kilo ne fata anyanta national be sulal adamadin kun killing na fata surtout la dindi o me yalla ko sama be kelamenti mo malo adama baro man silang adama baro man malu akalo Gambia diwni nyatiru na ka fale ko ha wo man sia compared the previous years. Is that not a shame? Albe man funta kamaye akanela o state house wono kotake dindin tawrula mo men kallo ka fa ko man sia wo man kale consent millions abe blonde la wo man kale consent a UDP ning esa jawla kelo ke wala mala consent na fiki yalla tambitani e kam da dango be momel nsi kele adiata membe kele lale akuyata membe kele lale kato kelo is part of hadin defon nen na frensol ka kelele o buka kenan na freni ay kuntu ndokon dele mo malay ko lete ba alin kana so moli mbuli UDP dune al kana so na fikol yalta yal buli al manke mental kanal fanke moli woti moli baltale bal yusil al fon ba accept la meni ka fale kal ka kelele telephone ni musul keleta ini dan diwni keleta ini kotoli keleta e mela kordal bula fo la kordal bulal afla ha kelo jomala buka kele jomala buka kelo foki la manda kele dula amam fontika e man kila so kelo la foya nganga kat kele dula fondel le fisata wot adama di manke menti kane fanke no woti ko bigo se be fenne nyene ka be real ni moli e fondi la tonya ka akmar location ye bulle bare ni te ko you want to satisfy people because of be fenne nyene kebul billahi wallahi taala ni aso be batala because what they expect ibe puska men ni na te ko ngabero di ala katu UDP supporter sol de kelo mbe kelo kelal ando ni nga kelo ke be nay ba bile mo la telle ka mol be kelelale sate mol ka kele jele fo la kina mol kele sate ul bula Gambia no na man la fila ka aka we bele nyinin abe surprise la nyama abe wele nyinin aba fam bondi le bulu nyamen non do nyi nyanda kala kiulete faatu konda kelo le ke jana faatu konda la mo folote me kelo ke political party dula nyine mo first time de UDP la meeting dula jomale la meeting dula kelo te kela jeto jomale la meeting la kelo te kela jeto mais Gambia di unal nyanta concern la menal buka concern wala karla musole fele a UDP ngafale UDP ko la muso fela ya bula ha ngafale ne UDP ko felente kono bayole ya muta ha ngafale ne ngafale nal kana parti al kana berodi al kana dinna ndo kale ama ko alla bero fa UDP albe ake ka UDP le ni be bata ko ne ka fanya fatel kata yalo Gambia di fon ha munal bala fal fanye fatel yamira ko alla bero di United Democratic Party la albe UDP le ma ko kambang fodal bal fana ma ko mo UDP na ma faale ko al ma ko ngata na kordal doko e ma faale ko al ma ko betan na satil e ko al bero din nga banko samba nga corruption o bang nga leptanol dada fo leptanol UDP ko leta ite leta mo leptanol ni barobe ko do mentinya ka UDP ko leta and some stupid people think that barobe ni corruption men abake ka UDP ko la kata ka wala kamfa ntela ben kamfa la because we are patriotic citizens ila fion mu menti niaje mol ba kasara la be diminna olle hammentan banko la kodo katar kasara la mem mala te fon mu menti barakate menna wala ke de banko la kat kodo la daflo kasaro kam bar banku din kende o kende la banko la naflo la kasaro ake kam fale altedi amula wala de momen kala ka fay ko ha baroti je wala fi sa UDP na ite bo mari satisfying no la nyadi. How many corruption scandal man sakunda me yake buka hani nuko ngala sai ni for example ni Russian oil scandal albe aje news to la bi NPP la dibiti ol tata pour ka kuonyinta ka ila investigation ni ila committee investigation menke pour ka wo reject because no investigation ni wo case na ta parliament to ka wo minister sulta ke police wo muitele malole anu hantia fatote tela ni oil scandal to munebe bolaje so be mal concern alla letano la kasaro mal concern alla nafulo la kasaro mal concern a UDP din wolle la kelo batel concern ha so ne UDP din la kelo na manifesto wo mal care na leader sol amanke ko amal zane ni loya da wala keleta amanke aji yamale kelo ke amanke ko UDP la tombon seri le kelo ke amanke ko yangs da wala kelo ke men yalon ke ben na positional hanna tar wolle kelo fonke. What you should be concerned about the manifesto when those people come, what kind of the system they are going to bring. Itela concern when the UDP call for the kelola. And so what? Ning keleta formune be kel. Fontelle mo foloti men keleta. Kelobe dunia kono luolo. Alikafo mole ko nko Gambia dione. Ntede mang UDP nga kote fode. Ndate mo nerito. Madama nsimo nene ning ayatar ko albesele kan sawne santal kata sopin la saw santo esa jawla kiline ka sopin ke sere kunda marsol bari kamani boto san 2500 kasan 2500 nkoy ko nanga kafunyo nga wo system bondi pour nyin kamala ko mbesi mani boto soro no 2000 500 on wo chef e ka fo hani e ko fo nge manene oduzi kembulu kunda yat UDP men soto mbole fola moli nimme lata la wala nimme malla la wala andu ile jawo ita satisfy no la andu nyaaje nyi huru ha bebe UDP kono because we want to satisfy the people who never like us nyimburu ha men bebe UDP kono because men be bantala we have the people many along ko yalo adamado nite ko ite ni mo bebe kala friendly nite ko ite you want to satisfy everybody billahi wallahi hani keta almamote be kala almame nafikole because ni mo beji ko te kilin ebe qur'an ayo men fula manke ko ani mo beji ko pasta ebe hadiso men fula manke ko ani mo beji ko be pasta woto nite ko ebo mo bele nyaanyinin na you will end up being a hypocrite. Be who you are, stand at your ground. Ni ye biro fanye ni ma fanye kana fanye fondel damman be Gambia kono fonni bele I don't know why the people even think that ni diam da hambe mo nyino be mo nyino faale be malay ko le nyinen membe Gambia kono fay malo the difficulty that they are facing, are they not facing it, or that the only UDP supporters are facing it? Fondel damman ba facing nin ko UDP dunal fond le ba a stop nola ngin kelo ke da yake mbul kubat man sa kunda la corruption UDP hani UDP supporter so le kelo ke aka kibiro menke ajube fat konta la nyin ko natar no mol ka concentration o menke UDP la nyin ku dunika e ko ke mansa kunda la nyin nonsense ko ka no tombi Gambia la nyin mansa kunda ite tarlate bani Essa Jawla keloke wo all the media capture media bele ka capture ni UDP ka hani sop ordinary support so keloke media be ka capture bar corruption no ite moy lambe diamula mansa kunda be tilimbalia injustice menke ka ite moy lambe diamula so UDP doing telle be ni molta ka we are defending them, we are giving them more energy to do it because we want to dance with their tune and the nyandalola na ground ba wulenke ni kale kelo kala fay hanga kelo leke. We are not sent, we are not angels, we are human like anybody else. Why are they suppressing us? And we want to, hey, Adamadi ni ko be kala mo be terity. Billahi te tonya fole be kala na fi kolet. Ni ko be kala mo be satisfied that you will end up being a hypocrite. Tonya fo ni me ye kong. Essa Jawla bonya nen na musolon kala jembe findi ne ko mon fen. Para ya jembe mala kande. Jabi kunda musol be bul janga di per jahanko. Jabi e ga wanya de jabi kasama jonka maydu jabi kundan ko la ninche ani mahanera kundan ko tesan. My my late wife. Oh, sarahulo la barak. Alian so muskende bal. Essa Jawla borom ñaar jabar. Banna musikino banda. La si almo ala so ne manen ka parola. Ya ngolen so musikende balla. Jabi kasama jonka maydu. Nde mandar musuñini nan ka ale ñele. Mbe findi mbe mal na muso kan to boto so kono. Nem futata tem fam be do mo tabire ndi matar la je fala man debe daraja ni no because nte ngalon te keno la president nte keno la ministre nte keno la muni an uneducated person like Essa Jawla alhamdulillah mbenna do kola mbetala ndiwni beta kan karamuto na musobe suwo kono nin jita tende nin futata ka ji kan dole fon fen ka en sin bulanda kono nin dañi sinnori mbakata ka kula senia set fadel yama munem ne musol men kanal balla fen ko jarjarani la ha yalo Essa Jawla fa ñol fon ñi ñoo yaaka sun parti Essa Jawla ak ñoo mak jane ak ñoo ki ñi ñoo yak suma fu so fege man ma yaka sen parti nga yaka way dina la wax deka ñoo deka moy human dengen yen lo neka sen problème yen Gambien yen dengen bar wax yen dengen bar ay petit lifin bi defante UDP no lef ni ñu wa UDP ñu ñoo war bañ because ntelleke tanke encourage ñin la doko mune keta UDP e fuso bala UDP ko fela fuso bula ali abeta ali yake online UDP ko hena ye sumuna jena nga fale ne nyinte manza kunda sambanola butuna UDP ko fana dolbena this is not normal, you know, this one me I condemn this, condemn it. Suma fu, be who you are, don't let people to bully you, don't dance with the people's choice, sometimes stand at your ground. But ni UDP ko tata I afford not. Hey UDP ko hay na afford ta sila dala nga fale ne ko butu wo newspaper le UDP ko fonta sila dala news UDP ya long Gambia ndesan ndela media la ko bala fa warta Gambia media kala file ko ebe ka fo kerem fula bayendo wala tina ni UDP ma do dala SP ko ni mansa kunda ma ko dala SP ko at the end of ebe na UDP le buland laje pour te satisfy mansa kunda atel UDP ko albe donne la julola. I condemn this, condemn etela o condemn wala agena ko atakela ne anu yabe condemn nsi kelo ke bi nsi kelo ke sini nsi kelo ke sininding alka kelo kala kordal konola alka anal musul ka kele adol be je fal kal musul butal ke fous.
Warum gehst du da rein?
Makwa, dekala. Al kal musul bute wo fenko awo somandale fundi al kamfatale nan al musunyoliye nyankatandi untabiale. Ya fo ko hori to kana fi nyankatanda nda den ko buka. E ka fo le mo buku mak. Al ka konkon al kono faye jisuma dial. albuka fo ko binkel yen lolen buga lolen son problème rek yen yak yen sin lole ka son problème UDP dun stand at your ground. Don't let anybody to push you to be who you are. They want to bully you and stand at your ground. Nikale kelo ke ala fo ko yes nga kelo kele, and we will continue to fight. Nothing will happen. Are we saint? No. Mol kata choji ka kelo keje. Mol kata jame ka kelo keje. Al mamul fon ka kurfeño fay. For okay. B ale Gambia Supreme Islam Council soto. Ale Barola Muslim Elders Council soto. Ale Sufi soto. Fonyil bukata walire. Mona tinal ma fo kon debe bola dino to la ñi. Stop being hypocrite. I'll be real. Gambia di unal ka kuleta kake kubati me yalon ko manke kubat. Kuba dal keke kundimul. Allah mansa kunda be suñaro la. Sache katiñul be jeto. You are comfortable with the government. Ayalo mune fonkante jakal. The shameless people on many yalon ko they are defending government corruption. They care less what the government is doing. Those are the people many yalon ko they are condemning every step of UDP supporters make. We are ordinary supporters all. Wolle ko ka wo condemn. Etela leptano to mansa kunda is abenna kodo kasara kadi ata nyamena. How many billion filter Gambia bankoka? Are you careless about that? Allah funding ke baro mansa kunda e kale ne ko from 2024 up to this 2025 Gambia funding ke o men fata duma silola bakwela mo 1,400 people plus. Al nene mansa kunda da mo diamulal. Because yal muta tole Gambia diun na mansa kunda muta tole niaje baro even hanita ka fale ko bena ta mbeta ta tamla alla nyi jikolla because you give him the green light. Gambia diun alla patriotism de al nyanta la energy sambala ko men kal buke samba won albe mo la datal bannambul. I condemn this nimme yano ya condemn al kakel anal al mojo le na la sungutol kakele fal ni ka banne alka kelal la suwol kon alka kelal la dol fombe je dega sane kundan kollon sane kundan kol dol le bentel ntel bala e katu kelol la kini ko la ndenga sa mane kundan ko dolo le ate hanala muso kay ko ka sunkaro fela akabute nala muso tabiro kama nyew ke jaka bute mane pa mane e ka fayne pa mane pa ke ba mane abora mane kundal akala muso bute ko bigo sa man chalo ke say ni mol ka bul bute la musol bute ni UDP ngol ke won buka ke nya ko tanat ye musu jolle violate Gambia kon o man kan nya ko tanat na fi ko lal kan na falbe alla political fenko nyinina UDP ko la kelo lan si kele adiata membe kelele akuyata membe kelele likewise any one of you alka kelele ando atel men be nyim fokan momo elote nya tilwona e bama ye baneni ye fane ni be lori jomale be sonnal ala foni al nafiki ya bula ndede momo yake da hani UDP la mitin lamba be kelo kelaje nza ko endal mat hani UDP la mitin lambe kelo kelaje because I will not compromise my mother for political party because nite ko party kumayat la nimba madu. Why will somebody insult my mother at my mbelori at my present? Ikonkana kuma for because mo lebe diamula. Ni diamula ite diamula. Mo me yalon ko. Adamadi me yalon ka ay sunya rolong. Abe suni fasaka. Ay corruption la abe mol fasaka melbe corruption la. Man sekunda abe tinyaro la. Anya bala leptano la abe tinyare. Anya be banku diun la be kumbo ka jikola. Anya ka minister wo bansa kunda la minister solje be borla bula la moto kono 12 million hansa wo mabondi will support. What do you think that person will continue to support you? Nadiate famfa wonete fasala. Nadiate ye fanjolon kono kono wote fasala. Ela na fiko ita satisfy no la. Non to nyanda kala time wes kulete ba. Haye fatu to konta la kelendi wa atella mol kuleta fo NPP man kelon. NPP ngole nyo kelo ke nyoko de ko ka foka nyo samba police wo mankale wo mamol bal bero faile NPP lota janne ila dibitol ka fo musole ko janne ko fo ben sambal ar jannale ambassador be janne men yalon koy wandi diwni kono ma Cuba fo ye bondi jele ime bondi je ambassador jolle dunda scandale kono ite mari continue tawo ambassador du sano nyoli woli ko men ke ja siri fo sonko birin siri fo sonko la audio fundita wayakinale NPP ko liye boato ba ime boato they still continue to defend that mannerless behavior mo me yesiri fo sonko defend wakanna fakata ka kelo le condemn e wo manke mo nafikoti ba mo me du sano defend wol dumbe banko la positional ite yol defend yesiri fo sonko defend ye dibitol defend men yalon ko ju kension fundita ja fale kara fo wo mo la privacy len bara UDP support sol wala kelo manke la privacy isi UDP ko la kelo condemn bara si bero ci ka yadi mo la meida menna masibo fundita isi UDP la kelo condemn yo ke kubat bari isi mo fasa me yalon ko ambassador position ma sibo keje e ka kele musukoka al mul condemn na fikolu bara ngatel UDP ko le bile matel men yalon ko they are dancing with their truth they are bullying e be mbuli kanne andal ba accept kanne because alabang albenyi menke kanten kundin kuba ha I condemn this hanali toto da be la bana kala problem nali e fusi ba kala problem nali e sumuna ke dawda ba kala problem because they want to suppress you at the end those people who are doing this they will never appreciate you and they will never vote for you so you just continue to destroy yourself because the more you are condemning all this nonsense small thing at the end it is going to create the more tension in the political party because the more you condemn it, another one will come and then also condone it. And then because of the enemies who will never appreciate you, the enemies who will never see any good thing at you. So if you want to satisfy all those people, you will end up destroying yourself. Aljanto londa UDP called. Ni yela kwolike ali bula ye wuri ni manda bule fe UDP ni manda bule fe ko kuto abuka barakano. Ba na ko don ciokundel UDP ko li fon le folo ka be kare nyi menkita ay condemn nyi menkita manya na kila and then who are you helping? Obviously those people men yalon ko every small thing non to momen adamadi membe baro fasaka wo mu autorité le soto momen ka adama baro la nyi mansa kunda fasa wo mariye mu autorité le soto wo mariye mu integrity le soto mu moral le soto ka anything condemn Gambia ko ala fo mansa kunda me yalon kay suñaro ke kenebato abe molla na fulo kasaraka al diwni fata manku bondije al diwni fata silo kay buka kuma fojeto ebe yin security men natin de Gambia for what reason keleten na bankoka and the sad thing about it Gambia diwna al bederin kulema yalon adama baro na la nyi molu they are very stupid sorry for my language yenyin sojarul men natini e ko wasla nyi economic soldiers me natin de Gambia and I'm so disappointed on Senegalese president Jomma Faye and Ousmane Sonko. You see, we Gambia, we have to be very wise. These people are playing the intelligent on Gambians, but we think that they love us. They don't love us because what we expect wolomuko Ousmane Sonko ni Jomma Faye ni molu they fight Macky Sall because they don't want Macky Sall to run for third term. But the idea is after ko habari tatam wo loi le be fenkoto wo loi le be Senegal ba wo loi ni Senegal ko le adundi loi man dunga fanye jeto. So if I see the same people many aloko they fought for the term limit, they are defending President Barrow because why Senegalese soldiers are in the Gambia at the first place, why the Senegalese security are in our state house defending someone who don't want to adhere to the term limit. That's a betrayal from the Senegalese leaders. And that is the truth. Why Senegalese leaders are still in Gambian territory defending that government, a government whose leader don't want to adhere to the term limit. It is amankela interested because Senegal dun men beje was sojarul they are paying them foreign currency lela. Ila bangu dun la nafale mot. Because wo Senegal dun wala jo mantar bokan Senegal man sakunda bulu abe bokan jo malle bulokon. Economic, ECOWAS. ECOWAS is an hypocritical institution. ECOWAS is the most hypocritical institution in the whole world. Because look at Nigeria, they have term limit. Why are they defending or sending securities to the Gambia to defend somebody who don't want to adhere to the ECOWAS ambition? That is the term limit. Why are they defending? I can now understand why most of these ECOWAS presidents, they don't, the ECOWAS citizens, they have no trust on ECOWAS because of their hypocrisy. They could have told Adama Barrow that, okay, you don't want to adhere to our term limit, then we are going to withdraw our securities from Gambia. But they don't do that. They continue to defend someone who don't want to accept the term limit in our constitution. And secondly, Senegalese are doing this to kill Gambian tourism sector. Because no investor will like to invest in the country may yalon ko te fauna security mantari buloko. And then alnyanta mello nambe technology wall kono. Be ni investor lafta be abe jaman ja lafta invest la Gambia. Abe munekela abe ta online le reka ajube. Oh Gambia. Okay, Gambia security is like this, that is, they have a foreign security present in their country because the country is not stabilized. The country is not stabilized. So because nobody want to invest in any country where they don't have good security. And secondly, all the tourists, Senegalese tourism is booming. Gambia tourism is collapsing because of Muneketa, the security reason. Because Adama Barrow is a mumu. Muneketa, atata murtani, mafia lata nyoka, sita nyoka kafoko, alinga peace, the most peaceful president. But who give that peaceful the price the latin? Jomale adial. Itato diala banko leka banko me yalonko. Dunia be yelo munela. They openly in this modern generation, they are the only country who are still doing the slavery in their country. Slavery, Mauritania. They don't even want to be part of the ECOWAS. Mome yalonka damantar ECOWAS kono. Mokete kila kafo eko. Ha itele most peaceful. Do they know even the peace? Did Mauritania even know the peace? What can they say about the peace? And who among those ECOWAS leaders who attend that ceremony? Because mafias think that Gambians, we are not wise. But Senegalese are just taking advantage out of our weakness. So now Senegalese tourism is booming. Most of the tourists, they want to go to the destination where they feel safe there. So most of the tourists, ni lafta fundila janibe tamala ka bankola e ka do internet le banko ni na information or soto ni dun ta Gambia la information pour ka Gambia la information the first ni be men be concern la men wala bankola security. But ni aje doron Gambia la security is in the hand of the foreign securities. The economic securities are present there because the country is not peaceful. The country is not stable. What they will do, they will cancel it. They will rather go to Senegal than come into the Gambia. So with all this, Gambian, we could not figure that out. Economically present move bad name let it tell the bank. It is giving bad image to our country. But Adama Barrow doesn't care about that because Munemu atela ambition of Wolamukotos remain in power forever, entrenching himself into the power. Man concentrate that the medias are playing the hypocritic within the citizens because they think that until Bangu we are not serious, we are not smart, we are until malo munebe dunia fankon. Albe wurla jana UDP nkolle kelola UDP nkolle be kelola. Alafo Usman Sonko eko Mteliko Gambia diunko we are disappointed in him. Usman Sonko and then John Mafai. Why are they still keeping Senegalese security in our country? We are not in war. Gambia do tell man kele soto. Why are they doing that? The president may yalon kani muldiam da sanji sabal ay sanji lulke adun da sanji town kona konya ko sanji town te kanya na betala ko take. You still keep and it funding ke jolle fata Senegal Ousmane Sonko ni nyin na ko Ousmane Sonko la ko ka pour kaje ko term limit is still a banko ka kaje ko self entrenched in power I stop. Why are they defending someone who don't want to adhere to that ambition? Chontul Gambia di un kamina ko Senegal be nyike kantelle. Ni economic la present Gambia ko ni aje be ni nonsense okela because the economic economic have this feeling that ECOWAS have this feeling that they can do anything whatever they like in Gambia. But what are they doing? What they are doing in Gambia, they cannot do it in any other countries. Because they think that we Gambians, we cannot reason our issues by ourselves. Why will they do that? Why the economic will send the securities to the Gambia? For based on what? We are not in war. Our country is even safe than some of these regions. Gambia is safe than Nigeria. And in Nigeria, they have a time limit. Ghana have a time limit. Sierra Leone have a time limit. And these are the people who are sending the security to the Gambia to protect the government who don't want to adhere to that time limit. And the Gambian will just sit and the Mount Benyo Kelela, UDP fell into a kelo like UDP la support us all like kelo, wole matel la consante. But the biggest issue, it is taking our country backward, and then you don't concern about that. That's not your concern. You don't care about that. That shows that how useless we are. Gambian have stand. We have stand, against injustice. Many advocates, many activists, they defend Ousmane Sonko. But you see, most of these Africans don't trust them. These African leaders never trust them. The only thing they recall, African leaders all they care is about they only care about their interests. Because look at this. Before around 2013, 2014, Ninata Gambia kono. Nidunta essence Bruxelles. Fly obeka ta farin koyo lela. Ibeka jimin tole Gambia kono. But today ni futa Dakar fly obeka abeka empty le. Koyo beka ji Senegal le kono. They are killing our tourism slowly. And we think that they are helping us because we have a Mumu president who Senegalese are taking advantage on the weakness of our leadership. Because the tourism can only, increase when we have a better security system. But as far as this economic presence is concerned in the Gambia, you cannot term Gambia as a peace country. So when I see media, hey, Adam Barrow is Gambia is the most peaceful country around the fourth position. How many Gambians have been killed? Until Gambia down. Many Kenyan peaceful fenko. Are they on our street? How many women have been raped on way going to the market? How many women have been attacked, robbed, on way going to the market? How many people have been killed in their own houses? When Gambia is the most. Do we save? Do we save? We are not safe in our country. Recently, how many times like a Tory? This last week, like about a Tory, so at American citizen, but attack in Bangkok. And all these are giving bad image and killing our tourism. Allah agriculture be faka because useless people only ba lead ka water o malke dem ba sabal instead of molbe samala kono ten abe bisiri munala political campaign. That it will make Imari care. That is not your concern. But your concern can be UDP Kolebe Kelola, Henga Fale Nilte Banco Sambanola. Nonsense. Anyway, Ngalbula, Saluto, Ngalbe Conton, But in Safalembe Kelela Kelo, Delbo Kelal, Katuntel Manke Malaikati, Manke Senti, ninte kelo kila mbe kelo kelale kelo is part of human nature nimmen be bero dila na yadin nimmen te bero dila na kanadin karite mari te nyanta concern la menna loya dabo Ahmad Sana ñol talbe Ahmad Ben Souda ñol Yangs Dabo ñol Rohey Malick Lowe ñol the leadership of the party wala nyante te keyala dan UDP la ordinary supporter solle be kelo la football fa solbe jo kutubunna football lal be la filo ko ne be la pilela but because say kaje lo ka Gambia nol mankune alinge ku brain wash nyen and then Gambia backwardness the media are part of it. Gambia medias are part of the Gambia backwardness because the way they have to function, they are not functioning like that because they want to satisfy government at the same time satisfy the opposition, and that cannot be. You have to be, yanta sila kilin talale. Yeah, ngal be konto. Ala baraka bad for what to do.